Hello and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome and thank you so much for tuning in. Today's video is not a tumbler tutorial, however, it is still an epoxy resin tutorial. We are going to be decorating this adorable little tray. I picked some of these up at the Dollar Tree one day when my husband and I were in there with our grandbabies, and I just thought they were super cute as is. But as I was perusing the aisles, I ran across this beautiful, what I thought was patterned paper. And I looked on the package and it turned out to be heat transfer vinyl. So, in hindsight, I wish I had picked up several sheets of these because I love this pattern. I love the sparkle. I love all of the colors. I just think it is super cute and fun. But when I went back another day to pick some more up, I couldn't find them. So I'm not sure if your local Dollar Tree would have them or not. But again, I just thought they were super cute. And so I thought, it actually was the perfect size for this tray. And I thought, how cute would this look on this tray? So what you're going to need today is, of course, the heat transfer vinyl. You're going to need a heat press. Now, because the tray has a lip, you're going to need some sort of handheld heat press. And I don't know if you could use an iron or not. I suppose you could, but I think to get a really good adherence, a small miniature heat press like this is probably going to be your best bet. Um, but with that being said, you know, you can try an iron if you'd like, if that's all that you have. Also, you can use patterned paper for this project. You could use fabric and Mod Podge it to the tray. You could use regular vinyl, not the heat transfer vinyl. So, this is just an idea of what you could do. But of course, take it and run with it. I'm sure there are lots of ideas going on in everyone's heads right at this moment. So, but what we're going to do is the heat transfer vinyl packaging stated to press it for 30 to 40 seconds. So that is what we're going to do, and I'm just going to put a firm pressure on each section. Make sure also, I failed to mention, you will need a Teflon sheet such as this. I don't like to use butcher paper with my heat transfer vinyl. I like to use a Teflon sheet. But again, if you want to use butcher paper, and as long as it isn't an issue in the pressing process, then, again, use what you have, modify it and tweak it as needed according to the supplies that you have. This was just something that, again, I saw on a whim as we were letting our grandbabies pick out some goodies at the Dollar Tree. So again, we're just going to press this 30 to 40 seconds in each section. This tray is, I'm not sure what it's made of, but it is like a tin, metalish, aluminum kind of material. I'm not sure exactly what it is, but it does get hot when the heat press touches it, of course. So with that being said, you will need to put some sort of silicone mat or heat resistant surface underneath the tray, because when I finished adhering my heat transfer vinyl to the tray, I had a hard time getting the tray to come up from the table. It had gotten so hot, it actually sort of adhered to my table. So don't make that mistake. Be sure to put something under the tray that is heat resistant, that the tray is not going to adhere to, maybe some kind of foam padding, something like that. So, and then once you have that adhered, I mean, look how easy that is. It's already adhered down. And now we're just going to go in. I'm going to use Artistry Epoxy's Hyperspeed. It is a tumbler glaze, and I'm going to use that as my first coat. Now I'm mixing up 30 milliliters for this because I don't want a super thick coat. I love how the tray sort of dips down. This, I think, would be super cute in a little girl's bedroom with her makeup and her brushes and stuff on it. It would be cute in a bathroom with your toothbrushes and Q-tips and cotton balls and whatever else laying on it. And then also, if you're a caregiver, I mean, this would make a perfect little medicine tray for the patient you're taking care of. So, I mean, just multiple uses. And again, depending on the type of medium that you use, whether it be paper, sticker paper, vinyl, fabric, whatever, you can change it up to make it be a manly tray for an office where they can put their pens and pencils, or I mean, it's just endless possibilities. So again, take this idea, run with it, make it your own, or duplicate it, whatever. But I just thought it was really cute and fun and pretty simple. I mean, I love simple projects that turn out super cute and sort of look like, wow, that took some time. So you can add some glitter here if you want. You can even paint this. I mean, you don't have to put something in the bottom. You can sand it down and paint it whatever color. Again, I just thought this heat transfer vinyl was super cute. And, it wasn't really big enough to put on anything as is. So I just thought it fit in the tray so well. So I just thought this would be so cute. So we put our 30 milliliters of epoxy and just spread that out. This is the Hyperspeed from Artistry Epoxy. So again, it is going to cure in, well, it's going to dry in just a couple of hours and be completely cured probably tomorrow. So I cut some little strips of vinyl. This is Tech Wrap Crafts vinyl, and I just cut a couple of strips to put at the top and the bottom to sort of finish it off and kind of fill in that little gap. And we will place one more coat of epoxy. Now, at this point, you can add, like if you wanted to add some handles to this, you could put some handles on the inside right here. You could epoxy some to the outside at the top here. I have this one. It is not completely dry yet. This is a mold that I have. Covered it with paint and glitter, but I'm not sure if I'm going to put the handle on there or not. So I'm kind of going to leave that unfinished for now. But you can, again, or you can add some knobs, for little handles. But the possibilities are endless. But I just thought it was super cute, super fun. And so I hope you guys have enjoyed this. I know that was a very quick tutorial, but the purpose and the point of the videos is to inspire you guys, hopefully teach you a little something as I'm still learning myself, and put out good quality product. So with that being said, again, I hope you all have enjoyed the video. If you did, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. I hope you have been inspired to go create something of your own, and I hope everyone, as always, has a blessed day.